Let's play it. Um, I'm not buying the feet motion. The arm is okay, but then you see it gets too stuck to it. It needs to keep moving all the time. Same thing here. You need to have some motion right here. You don't have any motion, and you are just like scaling certain things. So no, it needs more. You can't scale the bones like that. That's not a good idea. Unless you have a monster that changes in shape and something like that. So you need to use the puppeteering system, which you did actually use, but there's no up and down. You see all your pelvis is stuck. So this is a start, but you need a lot more motion up and down like that. You know, to do stuff, and it's not connected properly. So that's why you should have fixed that biped rig. Okay, thank you.